How to add people in Fishdom. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to add people in Fishdom. Adding people in Fishdom is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Connect through Facebook. Open the game and go to the setting menu. Tap the connect to Facebook option and log into your Facebook account. Once connected, Fishdom will automatically sync with your Facebook account and add any friend who also play Fishdom to your in-game friend list. Add friends directly in the in-game if available. Tap the friend icon in the main menu. It looks like two people are having a friend level. Select the add friend option. Use one of these methods, player ID. Enter the player ID of the person you want to add or share your ID with them to be added. Invite through links. Generate your unique invite link and share it through messaging app or social media. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can add people in Fishdom. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.